Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will learn how to disable thumbnail previews in Windows. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, setting is same. You can disable and turn off this picture preview, thumbnail preview. Open File Explorer, click on Start and search here. Now here click on these three dots, Options, View, and select this one, Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Then apply, then click on OK. So this way you can disable and turn off thumbnail preview. So any picture will be not able to see. Once you open, so you can check that picture. Thumbnail will not show picture and preview for your image. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can disable thumbnail preview in Windows 11. Share, like and subscribe to the channel.